So recently, I just got this M160 microphone off Amazon, and I wanted to try and make an unboxing style video for you. First off, we got the manual. This nice little metal stand. Ooh, glossy. And the USB cable. And finally, the main event. It's got a little lever you can adjust it with, the volume knob, and the mute button for calls. It's definitely weightier than I expected because it's made of metal, which is quite glossy actually. We even get a little cap or hood to put on the microphone to protect it and muffle it. And here are just some shots of it on my desk. I thought this was a pretty good buy, especially for how cheap I got it. Pretty good quality. Tell me what you think. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I did a good job, and bye.